Hi, I'm Kimberly with Getaway today. Thanks for finding us on our YouTube channel. Today I am very excited to show you a special room tour of the fully themed pirate room at the Legoland Hotel at the Legoland California Resort. So I'm going to start just right behind me is the door that you walk in, and you'll see everything is fully themed. I mean, that just looks like a pirate door, and you've got a little peephole for the kids. It says for kids eyes only. And then right behind me is a special kids area. So you'll see, again, fully pirate themed. You've got a top bunk, bottom bunk, and a day bed down below. And then right across is the kids' very own TV, little play area. There are Legos in the room that the kids can play with. And all of the rooms at the Legoland Hotel have this setup with the 2 bunk beds and the day bed, so you can comfortably sleep 3 children. Then right after you go into the kids area, you'll notice actually right across from me, there is that little monkey sitting on a treasure box, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So the kids area is right when you walk in. Then you come down the hall and you'll see right there is the luggage storage area. There's a big open space for laundry. You've got your ironing board, and then you have this little area that has in-room Legos. It also has the beverages that just come with the hotel stay. So you have coffee for the adults, hot cocoa for the kids, bottles of water for the adults, and then apple juice for the kids. So it's really fun to just have that nice little refresher in the room. Again, all rooms come with that here at the Legoland Hotel. And then behind me is the bathroom. Again, we're in the fully themed Pirates room. So everything is very fully pirate themed. But one of the things I love so much about the bathrooms is that they have step stools for little kids. They also have potty seats if you have potty training toddlers. They have thought of everything. So that's the bathroom. Then you come down the hall, and this is the parents' room. And look at that, it's so cute. So they have the full Jolly Roger headboard, pirate's flag over the bed. Sorry, I'm trying to go a little slow so you can see all of the detail. There's the window. And then I'll go back behind me. You can see, so cute. There's the TV for the adults as well, that darling mirror, and then the work desk space. Again, all with that full pirate theme. So we can't just do a room tour of the fully themed pirate room at the Legoland Hotel without talking a little bit about the Legoland Hotel and some of the fun things here. One thing that's awesome is all of the guests who check in here get a treasure map, or a treasure hunt, I should say. And so you'll go around, the clues are, they changed it from the last time I stayed here, which was only 6 months ago, but they'll have you go like find how many green Lego bricks are in the Lego store sign, or how many red knights are above the chalkboard in the castle play area. So there are little clues hidden throughout the hotel, and then when you come back, you've got your code, you come to your room and enter it in that little treasure box with the monkey on top. And each night of your stay, your kids get a special Lego surprise that's yours to keep. So there are so many extra special, just wow factors and fun things here at the Legoland Hotel. Another thing that is really fun when you stay at the Legoland Hotel is that you get early entrance into Legoland each day that it's open during your stay with your valid park admission. So in the past, you used to get these little buttons, and I've got a kind of sample in here, but they just snap onto your shirt. Now they're only offering these for first visits. When we checked in, they asked if we'd been here before. We let them know yes, and they said, you know what? These are just fun and new, so why don't you have one anyway? So they gave these to all of our kids. But now, instead of wearing those buttons to let the park know that you're a hotel guest when you get in early, now instead of the button, you get a Hotel Hero slap bracelet. My kids thought that was the coolest thing. So in addition to the Legoland slap bracelet that gets you the early entry into Legoland, every time you check in, the hotel is just full of all sorts of activities. So this is what you get. You get your hotel guide, and that tells you when breakfast is, which is included with your stay. And this is a full breakfast buffet. And when I say full breakfast buffet, it's their entire restaurant has turned into an all-you-can-eat smorgasbord of breakfast food. So you have smoothies, you have cook-to-order omelets, you have donuts, you have ice cream, you have sprinkles, you have sausage, bacon, breakfast potatoes, pretty much anything and everything you could imagine they have at the breakfast here at the Legoland Hotel. And they also include a number of activities, and these activities They change, they rotate through. Right now we're here during October, so they have some special fun Halloween themed nights. So they have the Monster Bash dance party on Friday and Saturday. Now they do have dance parties every night at the Legoland Hotel. And if for some reason you can't make it to the dance party, just make sure you ride the elevator because you may just be treated to a little dance party of your own. They do hero training. They do a Lego model building competition every day. They do the brick boogie. They do monster making on select nights. So you'll want to, for sure, when you check in, get your little hotel guide. Use this to plan some fun activities. Really, part of this fun of staying on property is all of the extras that you get. Normally Legoland closes at 5, but that does not mean the party's over when you're staying at the Legoland Hotel. So again, this is the room tour. This is the fully themed pirate room. All of the rooms here come with the same basic amenities, with the bunk beds for the kids. This is the king bed in the bedroom for the adults. They have the beverages, they have the little treats for your kids. So the only difference between a fully themed and a regular themed room is just that some of these little, in fact, I'm going to turn around so you can see. Some of the little Lego additions. Oh, can you see up there? So some things like that there aren't as many of those in the regular themed rooms, but in the fully themed room there are just a few little extra fun surprises throughout the rooms. But either way, you're in for a great stay at the Legoland Hotel. Also, the new Castle Hotel just opened right next door, which is another great one. We've done room tours of all 3 room types over there. We also have a room tour of the Ninjago room here at the Legoland Hotel, so be sure to watch that. We'll link you to all of those videos below. And if you need to book your stay, be sure to call us at 855-GETAWAY, or we'll link you to our specials below. But we're always happy to help you book your vacation at getawaytoday.com. We always make sure you have the best price and the best service for your vacation, whether you're headed to Legoland, Disneyland, or any of our vacation destinations worldwide. So thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe below to get alerts whenever a new video goes live, which we do every Monday. Thanks again so much for watching, and have a great day.